travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor and seasonal decorating. So if that is what you're interested in watching, I do upload twice weekly, every Wednesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love for you to considering subscribing and becoming a part of our family here. Also, double tap that bell so that you don't miss any of my episodes. So in today's video, I am going to be decorating my little office space. There's a lot of changes that is taking place in my home, and for one great big reason, which I will explain to you in an upcoming video. So my office is now going to be a part of our family room area. I have my children here, and in order to keep an eye on my daughter Nyla, for those of you that don't know, Nyla is my 17-year-old, and she does have Down syndrome, and she needs a lot more one-on-one attention. And so when my office is kind of stuck away in the back, I can't really see what she's doing, and I can't really keep an eye on her. So I wanted to move my office desk, space to our family room area. That way I am able to just keep a better eye on her and make sure that she's not getting into anything dangerous. So today I am going to decorate that spot. So I am going to just be adding some wall art and a beautiful vase with some floral arrangements for the spring season. I am super excited about spring, though I am surrounded by summer and 20-degree weather. I am still trying to just get excited about all the beautiful colors and color palettes and flowers and beautiful things that come along with spring and summer. So if that is you and you are excited about spring, definitely go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below and let me know, what do you most like about spring and what do you most dislike about spring? Okay guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. Okay guys, so this is where my desk is now, and this is kind of where I have been working out of, and it is super convenient for me. I love it so much. I am able to see my kids and still be interacting with them. Also, helping with homework and such. And my kids always know where I am. So that's a good thing. So this is a space that I am going to be decorating. It's not a large space. It's really just one wall. But I just kind of want to beautify it a little bit more, bring some interest and creativity to the space, and definitely, some motivation, because sitting here sometimes I don't have the motivation to work. I have to push myself, and I just want visually, because I'm a visual person, I just want visually to just have something that I can focus my eyes on and see the beauty in it, and it helps me to focus and concentrate. So let's go ahead and decorate this lovely space of mine.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. gone and I grew up, I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. And I still wonder where you are. If you found a way out, come seek me out.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, us being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh.